Today we are going to see the review of Hathway 50 Mbps unlimited plan for 6 months along with device rental of 60 rupees for 6 months and tax. The total amount is 3250 or around 530 rupees per month. So this is a prepaid plan and the data usage as said here is unlimited. And it is a 50 Mbps download speed and 5 Mbps upload speed plan. Earlier the upload speed also used to be 50 Mbps, but recently on December 1, 2019, Hathway changed the upload speed to only 5 Mbps. Coming to the self-service app, it is the worst app one can see at any time. Say if you want to change the plan, no plan details found for you. If you want to compare with other plans, no plan details found for you. If we can do nothing, then what is the meaning of having a self-service app? If I press change plan, you will get loading symbol, but no plan will be coming. So this is the worst self-service app ever possible. So now we will do the speed test along with the option is given itself in the self-test app, self-service app only. Hathway app available in Play Store and iOS Store. So I have started the speed test. This is a homegrown speed test app developed by Hathway only. So the actual speed promised is that 50 Mbps. We are paying for 50 Mbps. Of course it is up to 50 Mbps, but in real time only 6 Mbps download speed is possible, which is very less but okay for movie watching or watching videos in YouTube. But the upload speed is horrible. What is this, guys? Earlier, prior to December 1, 2019, using coaxial cable, Hathway used to offer 50 Mbps upload speed, but now it is offering only 0.09 Mbps upload speed. Even I am not able to send small videos or GIFs in WhatsApp because the upload speed is very low. So beware, guys. Don't buy any Hathway plan. It has become the worst broadband now. As I have already shown you, the plan name is 50 Mbps broadband unlimited. Means before prepaid. 6 months we have paid, and the price we have paid is 3250. So I am not going to renew this. So the Hathway is at the peak of its worst service in December 2019 in Hyderabad. So beware, there are some branding going on that you can shift to Hathway with unlimited, but the speed is very bad. So if you see, I have searched Hathway Hyderabad plans. I am going here. So it is telling that best speed, but it is the worst speed one can ever have. It's just 50 Mbps, 6 months, but the upload speed is horrible. So beware and try not to take Hathway. Explore other broadband like U Broadband or Airtel Broadband. Thank you.